Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today and I know I'm gonna try one of the my kind of go-to long time looks that I used to do. So yeah, so if you want to see my new spin on that, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so today I'm actually gonna use these palettes. This is the Nude by Makeup by Yolondo, or the Churchgirl palette, or is that the palette? Let me see actually. I think I want another, a different color. Maybe a different color. So I'm gonna mix them a little bit. So I think I'm gonna go with this one instead. Let's jump in. I'm gonna go in with a Y214 for Makeup by Yolondo. And first we're gonna go in the black in the Nudes palette, or Bronze and Nudes palette. And I know black can be very intimidating, but don't be scared to just go in with a good black. I think it's bad when you have a black that does not blend, but if you have a good black, you'll be good. Like, this is a good black. I used to be scared of black too, because as I said, I know it can be intimidating, but just take your time, just take your time and go for it. And then when you get to the edges, just hold your brush really soft, like, and then just small motions. See, perfect. So I am done with this brush. First I'm gonna use this brush. So this is a 211 and I'm gonna blend it out. I'm not putting any product on here. I'm just gonna we're gonna go into this palette, which is the Churchgirl palette, and we're gonna go into Blessings. And we're gonna tap that like right here. And it's okay, I'll go back into the black. And then I'm gonna go back into that black, because I don't want to lose my black. Guys, when you're doing this look, take your time. And if you have to go in, back and forth, that's okay. Because black can be very intimidating and easy to mess up. So, and I guess that's why it's so intimidating, but it's okay. Now we're gonna cut it. Cut it. So full of self-confidence. Using my oil, I need a white. And this is a full-blown cut crease. This girl sucks at half cut crease. Why not go for full cut crease? Why not just go for it, right? Why not just go for the whole thing? If you're terrible at, half. But that's the only way I'm gonna get better, is if I keep doing it. Okay, now let's go in and let us cut that crease. Cut that crease. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut that crease. Cut it, cut it. So we're gonna go into this with this first. That's the C10. I'm just putting this to put on my base. Like so. But for the actual cutting the crease itself, I'm gonna go with something small. I just feel like this is not flat enough. But if it works for you, it's fine. It just doesn't work for me. So now I take my C9, I go in. It's just so flat. Ooh, that scared me. Whenever I'm gonna do these videos, just know it's a long video alert. And then I'm just gonna tap this here. So first I'm gonna go in with Faith, and then we're gonna go in at, I'm thinking, should I do Faith or, yeah, yep. Okay, so first we're gonna go into Faith. Not even sure. This is really. And now I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm gonna go into Favor. Then I wish the shades were popping a little bit more, but it's fine. So now we're gonna take this. I know this look is gonna be 10 years old long, but it's fine. Okay, so now brush is clean. I'm gonna try this with my glue. I tell you, I be doing the most. And now I'm gonna go in with this, and this is from Suva. I'm gonna put a little bit of water, not water, setting spray. And I'm gonna take my brush, which is also from Suva or Suva, I don't know, something like that. And I'm gonna mix it up, make a paste. So I'm putting water in here and then I just mix it up. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back. Is that look my favorite look? Maybe not, but you know what? We're just gonna keep it moving. Keep it moving. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Eborian primer. I love this primer. I try not to use it too often because it's pricey. It is very pricey. It feels good. And then this is by NARS. It's the soft matte. I love this foundation. Love it. Ooh, I lost my cover. Sometimes I put stuff down and I have no idea why I put it. And we're gonna use our soft matte concealer from NARS. We're gonna let this dry up for a little bit, just a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with my Makeup by Mario contour stick. And I'm gonna use my 405 and blend this from Makeup by Yolondo. At the end of the day, you know, like blending, that's where it is. You know, that's where like just gets you nice. And now I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush. This is the slick brush from Makeup by Yolondo, and we're just gonna tap this in to make everything, you know, melt to the skin. I love when I'm having like a good like skin day, like today is. I had these big old pimples there and they kind of went away, so I'm just like, oh, nice. Anyways, and that's my Beauty Bakery cassava powder. So yeah, this is like hair brushed. Love it. Where is my Huda Beauty powder, which is right here? Let's use my girl Huda. Okay, I think your girl went a little a little bit crazy. Oh god, that's too much. A dry patch like right here. I don't know why this patch is becoming for me. It's winter time and my skin is like dry back. It could be worse, it could be worse, so I'm not complaining too much, just a little bit, just a little bit. So this, I'm gonna let this dry a little bit, and while it is drying, let me go ahead and, you know, blend. Just let it do it do, and I'm gonna do what I do. This is from Melt Cosmetics. Here's the stackable bronzer. One brush is this. This is Powder Brush 50 from Sephora. That seems like, you know, a bit much of bronzer, but it is what it is. It's okay. I'll doll it up a little bit. And I'm just gonna use this from Shein. Yep, that's a lot too. But it is all good. It is all good. I did something very small for that black, because I don't want that black everywhere. Let's use this brush. Is that from Bare Minerals? Now let's go to Blessings. Just gonna bring down that shade a little bit. I'm gonna put these insane earrings on again. I'm gonna put Cuff from Urban Decay in my waterline. I'm gonna use this. This is what? Lip job from Dragon Beauty. So I'm gonna use Let's Be Clear from Colourpop. It's from their Luxe line. Okay, I feel like that's fine. This here is from Love Me Here, and I love it. Like, it's so nice and thick. Yeah, so that's it guys for this video. As I say again, this is not my best look, but you know what, I like it. I'm just trying to be, you know, creative and do more things on my channel, or different things, so then the makeup look doesn't get boring, you know what I mean. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.